Mrs. Humphries bought 40 pencils for the students in her class. She split the pencils evenly between 8 students. How many pencils did each of the 8 students get? Okay, so first we need to identify our important information and what the question is asking us. Okay? Mrs. Humphries bought 40 pencils for the students in her class. 40 pencils is important. She split the pencils evenly between 8 students. Evenly between 8 students. That's important to know. How many pencils did each of the 8 students get? Okay, so now we can plug our information into our get model, our get chart, okay? So she bought 40 pencils. Is 40 pencils going to be our groups, the equal number in each group, or our total? $40 pencils is going to be our total. Okay? Then it says she split the pencils evenly between 8 students. So I have 8 students. Is 8 students going to be my groups or my equal number in each group? Eight pencils or 8 students is going to be your groups, okay? So that means that we're looking for the equal number in each group. When we're looking for the equal number in each group, what operation are we doing? We are going to be dividing. Good job. So here I am back to my problem. Okay, we're going to be dividing. What are we dividing? We only have 8 and 40. We're going to be dividing 40 divided by 40 divided by 8. The only two numbers that we have on in our get chart, okay? 40 divided by 8, right there. Now, how do we want to do this 40 divided by 8? Earlier we did an array. I think I'm going to do equal groups. So I know how many groups I have. I have 8 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have my 8 groups right here, okay? Now I can start, in my 8 groups, I'm going to put one piece at a time until I hit a total of 40. So there's 8 already, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, I've hit my total of 40. So this represents the group of pencils or the equal number of pencils that one student got. This is the equal number of pencils that another student got. The 3rd student, the 4th student, the 5th student, the 6th student, the 7th student, and the 8th student. So let's count how many pencils each student got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's just make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each student got how many pencils? Each student got, good job, 5 pencils. So 40 divided by 8 equals 5. Now remember, you could have done repeated subtraction, or you could have made an array. Maybe you know that 40 divided by 8 is 5 because you know that 8 times 5 equals 40. You know the fact families. I still want to see you working out this problem in one specific way, even if you know the fact families, okay? So this is what the problem looks like using the get chart as for a division problem. So then you guys are going to work on this last one right here. And then I have one more, and it's going to be a bonus, and I'm going to explain that to you guys in a second.